How to fix lag in Blox Fruit mobile Huawei. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix lag in Blox Fruit mobile on Huawei devices. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to fix lag in Blox Fruit mobile Huawei, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Open the settings menu in the game. Over here, locate the graphics quality setting and adjust it to the lowest level. This helps reduce lag caused by rendering high quality visuals. Step 2. Turn off unnecessary visual features such as show other pets or similar options to reduce the number of elements displayed on the screen. Step 3. Go through additional settings and disable options like notifications, vibrations, or sound effects if they are not essential. These features may contribute to lag. Step 4. Enable any available reduced effects or low performance mode settings. This helps limit the processing power required and reduces lag significantly. Step 5. If you own many in-game items or pets, consider redistributing them between your main account and an alternate account to minimize the load on a single account. So that's how you can fix lag in Blox Fruit mobile on Huawei devices. That's all for this video.